Did you know that some bats feast only on blood? These fascinating creatures, known as vampire bats, have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Often depicted as monsters in mythology and fiction, vampire bats are, in reality, small and shy animals with a unique and vital role in the natural world. Join me as we delve into the intriguing world of vampire bats, separating fact from fiction and discovering the truth about these misunderstood creatures of the night. In our exploration, we will uncover the secrets of their shadowy lives, from their preferred habitats to their remarkable adaptations for obtaining their unusual diet. We will also learn about the crucial role they play in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. By understanding vampire bats, we can move beyond the myths and appreciate them for the fascinating and important animals they truly are. Vampire bats are creatures of the night, preferring the cover of darkness for their activities. These nocturnal animals spend their days roosting in caves, hollow trees, abandoned mines, and other dark, secluded places. These roosts provide them with protection from predators and a stable environment to rest and raise their young. Vampire bats are found in the Americas, ranging from Mexico south to Chile and Argentina. Within this broad range, they inhabit a variety of ecosystems, including tropical rainforests, deserts, and grasslands. Their distribution is closely linked to the availability of prey, as these specialized feeders rely on a steady supply of blood for their survival. Vampire bats are the only mammals that feed exclusively on blood, a dietary specialization known as hematophagy. Their preferred prey are livestock animals such as cattle and horses, although they will also feed on wild mammals and birds when the opportunity arises. Under the cover of darkness, vampire bats use their sharp teeth to make a small incision in the skin of their sleeping prey. Contrary to popular belief, they do not suck blood. Instead, they lap up the blood that flows from the wound, using their grooved tongues to collect the liquid. Vampire bats possess a suite of remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive on their unusual diet. Their sharp, razor-like incisor teeth are perfectly designed for making precise incisions in the skin of their prey. These bats also produce saliva that contains specialized compounds to prevent blood clotting and numb the pain of the bite. This ensures that the blood flows freely while they feed, and that their prey remains undisturbed during the process. Section 5. Not just monsters, vampire bats' role in the ecosystem. While their blood-feeding habits might seem, gruesome, vampire bats actually play an important role in their ecosystems. By feeding on a variety of animals, they act as a natural control on prey populations. Their feeding behavior can also influence the spread of diseases among animal populations, acting as both vectors and regulators. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for managing both wildlife health and livestock production in areas where vampire bats and humans coexist. Section 6. Separating fact from fiction, debunking vampire bat myths. Vampire bats have long been shrouded in myth and folklore, often depicted as monstrous creatures with supernatural abilities. In reality, these shy and reclusive animals are far less intimidating than their mythical counterparts. One common misconception is that vampire bats are blind. While their vision is not their strongest sense, they can see quite well, relying on a combination of sight, smell, and echolocation to navigate and locate prey. Another myth is that they are aggressive and attack humans. In truth, vampire bats are not aggressive and rarely bite humans unless they are handled or threatened. Section 7. Living in harmony, coexistence, and conservation. While vampire bats can pose challenges for livestock farmers, it's important to remember that they are an integral part of their ecosystems. Coexistence is key, and there are ways to mitigate conflicts while ensuring the bats' continued survival. These include implementing livestock management practices that reduce the risk of bat bites, such as providing adequate shelter and using protective barriers. Education and awareness are also crucial, promoting understanding and tolerance for these often misunderstood creatures. Section 8. The future of vampire bats: challenges and hope. Vampire bats, like many species worldwide, face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and human-wildlife conflict. Protecting their roosting sites is essential for their survival, as these shelters are vital for their reproduction and social interactions. Continued research is vital to better understand their ecology, behavior, and the complex role they play in their ecosystems. By learning more about these fascinating creatures, we can develop effective conservation strategies to ensure their long-term survival. Section 9. Conclusion: appreciating nature's little vampires. Vampire bats, with their unique adaptations and ecological roles, are a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. By separating fact from fiction and appreciating their importance, we can move beyond the myths and embrace these fascinating creatures for the ecological marvels they truly are. Understanding and protecting vampire bats is not just about conserving a single species. It's about preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems for generations to come. Let us strive to coexist with these creatures of the night, marveling at their unique adaptations and appreciating the vital role they play in the intricate web of life.